Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today, you're gonna hit that like, you're gonna hit subscribe, you're gonna stop playing. We got a different one today. Not really, but kinda, but maybe, I don't know. Let's just roll with it, you know what I'm talking about? We purchased an FX6 the other day, or last week, something. It's got a lot of hours on it. It's super dirty. If you can see all right there, look at that. I mean, it's just crazy. Then if you check the fan out, that's brown. That's supposed to be gray, bruh. All that, I mean, this thing has been put to work. You hear me? Look at that sensor. Well, this is not the sensor. The sensor is actually behind it. This is just the cover to go with those ND filters. Man, this is really light. I always forget how light just the body is, the brains per se. Oh my God, don't mess up the IBIS. Pretty sure this does not have IBIS. And even if it did, it wouldn't mess it up. Now, if you see here, you can see some condensation damage on the screw. I see that happen a lot, and within these screw holes. And sometimes people even going too far in and poking out the bottom. Just like life. All right, I'm done. But today, basically, we are going to be cleaning this FX6. Now, this may not be a repair, but it's part of the repair process, part of the repair experience. Yeah, tools, you can buy my tools, handsomeshop.com. Can't buy these tools on there. Maybe I should offer toothbrushes and one day, I don't know. First and foremost, this fan is just gnarly. Let's see how much we, Oh, that was horrible. Let's see if we can get that again. Hopefully y'all can see some of this. This is just... All right, this is horrible. If you have an FX6, an FX3, an R5C, a C50, anything with a freaking fan, blow it out, dude. Blow it out. That is ridiculous. If your fan fails, your camera will fail. Just like if my fans fail, I won't have a channel anymore. I'm just playing, I'd still do it. I actually am very upset with this mess. This is, I really don't like cleaning cameras. This needs to be my apprentice's job, but I do not have an apprentice at this given point. This is just horrible. I'm actually gonna run out of denatured alcohol. I can tell already. I'm using denatured alcohol on this fan because if anything gets in there, it will not destroy anything. Throw some electronical cleaner in that mug too. And we're gonna air it out. Trying to get this FX6 up to par so we can rent, sell, trade this thing. This is horrible, bro. We'll get back to that. I want to finish all of this first. Clean your body cap as well, and your sensor cover will stay clean. Still some stuff in there that I can't get to by itself. Yeehaw! Still not clean. It's like that ain't never gonna be clean, it looks like. Alright, so that was a cleaning, an emergency cleaning on an FX6. Don't forget that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a comment. Till next time, don't break nothing. Peace!